In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends not responding. The first step is you want to come to Task Manager, Details, click anywhere and press L, then make sure you end the task on all League stuff. Then do it again, but R, and do it for Riot Client. So once you've closed down everything League and Client related, you want to find your League folder. So open file location and then do it again. This time, Riot Client Services, you want to right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Then come to Riot Games, League of Legends, do the same on League Client, like this. Then scroll up and find Game, do it on League of Legends.exe. And then if you have it on your desktop, you also want to do it on both League of Legends and Riot Client. Once you've done this, you just want to try and relaunch League, and then it should work. Otherwise, if you get not responding while you're about to go into Champion Select, sometimes just waiting 1 or 2 minutes might fix the issue. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.